bit nervous. Yeah. Hello, beautiful peacocks. I'm so excited. I have so much energy today because my sister graduation is in three, not 2, 3. Is in 3 days. And I have to make her a whole new outfit. I wanted to make her a very special outfit for this very special occasion. Okay, let's get started. It's a mess. They are everywhere. Everywhere, literally everywhere. This is what happens when you work with velvet. First of all, good morning, guys. So today it's my second day, and yesterday I didn't done too much. I was a little bit tired. I managed to do only the pattern. I cut the fabric. So yeah, I didn't done too much. So today I want to be more productive. I want to be able to have my sister try the dress this afternoon. Enough talking, let's go to work because we have so much to do. And just a minute, guys. Say hello to my little friend right here. So because I didn't have 3 more threads with the exact same color for this fabric right here, I just gonna do a zigzag stitch with sewing machine. I hope this is gonna work because I've never done this before this with velvet. I wish it's gonna be okay. Yeah, okay. So if you saw my previous video, this is the 2 pieces that goes to the front. Let me show you, just a minute. Those 2 pieces right here. And what I'm going to do is to sew the corners. I'm gonna flip it inside out and we're done. Okay, I'm gonna start with the zigzag stitch. After that, I'm gonna sew the line stitch with this one. This is the original foot right here. This one is for velvet and leather. Don't forget to change the foot because otherwise it's not gonna show your fabric. So we're gonna leave this to the side just for a little bit. We're gonna use this foot to sew our velvet. Here you go, all my pieces. I'm gonna take all my pieces and I'm gonna make a zigzag stitch around them so they were not gonna fray. Look at those clean lines. So good, so good. So guys, I just did the most crazy thing ever. I just pressed the foot of this sewing machine. I was wearing my headphones and I couldn't hear the sound of this one. I was waiting to this small machine to start showing, and I was like, why is not starting? It's not working, it's broken. Finally, I found that I was pressing the wrong foot and I was waiting for this sewing machine to start. I'm so embarrassed. It could happen, right? Oh my god. My side pieces are finally ready. And now we're gonna go for the middle part. Okay guys, this is it so far. I'm so excited, this is so good. Oh my god, let's continue. So guys, it's day 2 and I have only one left. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. And with the previous dress, I make a little bit puffy sleeves. For this dress now, I didn't want it to make very extra, because velvet as a fabric, it's very extra, and I wanted to make it a little bit more wearable. So guys, this is the sleeve. It's pretty good actually. The dress is almost done. I have to show the sleeves. The sleeve, it's with hand stitch because I want my sister to try it. So yeah, this is the dress pretty much. See you tomorrow, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is the final day. Finished the dress and here is my sister.
Hello.
I'm so excited and I'm so nervous at the same time. So get the end result in a little bit. So yeah, let's go, guys. That was a dress. I think that was a success. That was a big success. My sister loved it, everyone loved it. If you like this video and you don't want to miss the next one video, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. So until next time, bye bye peacocks.